Hottest hot sauce in the entire world right now. I'm about to mix it in. Yeah, it's definitely spicy. Now watch me eat them like a champion again. I guarantee you get a good result out of this and watch me viewing me watching me eating this shit. It's not going to be a very extreme reaction out of me. It's done. So far, so good. This is stinging the back of my throat a little bit, but it's alright. This hot sauce has got a kick to it. Ta-da! That's actually a bit hot, it's making me teary. But nonetheless, to handle it very well. Another one down, YouTube.